Alright guys, changing the oil on a CRF50. This is like a 2017 or 18 model. It's an 18 model, but I mean these things have always been pretty much the same. So we've got one drain. I'm going to try to show you where it's at. The tripod will work with me. We've got one drain right here. It's a 17 socket. So we've already warmed up the motor so the oil will flow out better. So we're just going to take out that drain and drain it. I've got it on a stand with the front end just kind of on a floor jack, just because the bike sits so low. This makes it a lot easier to get a socket in there to take off that. Alright guys, right here's our fill plug. So we're going to take this off and I'm going to put in about 600 milliliters. 600 cc, it's all about the same. There you go guys, your oil is changed. Thanks for watching.